On this video, I will be talking about this crazy breakdown that currently is happening on the market, and I will be exactly talking about my price targets, where I think the price action is going next, and much more, because currently as well on the Bitcoin chart, the weekly time frame for Bitcoin, we can see that the 50 and 100 weekly moving average, and historically speaking, every single time we have seen such kind of a cross, the bear market bottom was in. So make sure to get ready for this extremely exciting video. I can't wait to share my insights on today's update video, so don't forget to slap up that like button. On the previous video, we smashed it up above 400 likes. Can we once again do it on today's update video? So don't forget to slap up that like button right now, and let's jump straight away in towards the content. And first of all, what we can see is that Bitcoin on the immediate short term has been playing out exactly like we have been predicting on the previous video. It has been starting to see a small little bounce here. So what we can currently see is that still clearly on the RSI we're forming higher lows, while the price action on Bitcoin is still forming significant lower lows, what means we're currently seeing a bullish divergence structure getting created. I am not necessarily expecting that Bitcoin is going to be seeing much upside from here on onwards, but we did saw a small little bounce here, and we can currently clearly see, if I do remove all the drawings, that this previous level of resistance is right now getting retested as support. So I do expect on the immediate short term we could be having a small little relief rally back towards the upside before potentially once again coming down again. But talking about my price targets, I will be doing that in a second from now on. So let me continue in this video and talk about this interesting consolidation range. So on the Bitcoin 4-hourly chart, we can currently clearly see what is going on for Bitcoin, and it is very simple for me. If we do confirm the break below the 19.5k, the green line of support right here, we are expecting we're going to see way more significant downside for Bitcoin. And my target, actually, if we do break below the 19.5k, is going to be at this red line right here. What is going to be trading right to 17.6k? What is basically the previous low in the market? And the reason why I'm saying so is because there is a potential scenario that we're going to go for a liquidity grab around that 17.6k, and I will be only anticipate this happening, like I told you, if we do break below that 19.5k level. So that is definitely the important level to be watching on the market right now here. So if we do break below it, it's going to be looking bearish. However, if we do break below the very important resistance, the red line on the top side, the 20.4k, I do expect we're going to see more upside happening for Bitcoin. So we can still go both directions. So far, we're once again in a consolidation phase, just like we were last time around here. And I am honestly also not expecting we're going to see a breakdown today or tomorrow, but I do expect that we're at least going to see some very strong consolidation for Bitcoin in the coming 3 to 4 days ahead of ourselves, because historically speaking, if we're going to be analyzing the past, always once we're seeing a significant dump towards the downside, we at least tend to see 2 to 3 days of consolidation before once again choosing a direction on the market once again. And due to that reason, I'm also expecting there's going to be at least some consolidation. And of course, next week it's going to be the Federal Reserve, and also next week is going to be the week where the Federal Reserve will be hiking interest rates once again. And I do actually expect that the market is going to be remain pretty calm until then. And as soon as we do know what the interest rates are going to be doing, if it's either going to be positive or negative, we could start to see once again massive market volatility return. Then also looking at the daily time frame, we can see, yeah, there's nothing really special going on right now. We are seeing just another day of consolidation right here. Also on the 12-hour time frame, we're just still waiting till we're going to see a new consolidation phase getting formed here. Once we do confirm a new consolidation phase, we will be probably see another pattern we could be trading, and as soon as we do see that, you will be the first one to know if you're subscribed to this channel, and it will be basically once again another amazing trading opportunity. Then talking about Bitcoin and this very interesting signal, currently the 50 and 100 weekly moving average are crossing. This just happened, and yeah, this signal is pretty big here, because historically speaking, this signal's got a 100% accuracy rate with predicting the exact bear market bottom. And like you can see, it did currently flashed again. It flashed also in the 2019 bear market, and the moment it flashed, we basically started to see significant upside getting followed for Bitcoin afterwards, and the bear market bottom was of course already formed. And here what we can see, in 2015, we saw this crossover happening. Then, of course, we did saw some very boring consolidation. It did took an approximately another, 130 days before we actually started to see that significant uptrend getting started. However, this signal was the ultimate signal. The bear market was almost to be over. So once again, I do expect that this signal is going to be having a similar behavior. It doesn't necessarily mean Bitcoin can't go lower anymore from this point onwards. However, I do expect that we're right now at that end stage of the bear market, it is not going to necessarily take so long anymore. And what I also do expect, if I'm going to look at the monetary forecast, is that the end of this year or beginning 2023, we could start to see the markets flip a little bit more bullish. So we are maybe going to be trading in a bear market for another 100 days. So please make sure to enjoy the cheap Bitcoin for another 100 days, because yes, once the bear market is over, things can rise once again very quickly, and you would like to be buying into weakness and not into strength, because that is how the rich become rich in crypto. Furthermore, we can currently see that Ethereum is losing very important support here on the daily time frame. We were trading in an uptrend for already in approximately 65 days here, and currently we broke this trend, and my honest price target for Ethereum right now is going to be all the way down here towards that $1,200 target. Why am I saying so? I mean, I am very long-term bullish on Ethereum after the merge did clearly happen. However, we are breaking very important levels of support, and we can also clearly see we were performing and creating symmetrical triangle structure, and after breaking this support, we are definitely expecting we're going to see more downside happening for the Ethereum price action right now. So please make sure to keep your eyes wide open on this chart right now here, because Ethereum is losing very important support, and this of course could mean that there are going to be a lot of problems ahead of ourselves right now for the Ethereum price action. Then talking about the new trade I'm currently taking, I am currently taking another new trade with CryptoC. It's basically a cryptocurrency trading algorithm that trades for you. I am currently literally doing nothing, and the cryptocurrency trading algorithm is just automatically trading for me. It is executing the trades, it's doing it all by itself while I can literally relax. So it's basically a money printing machine. It makes around 70% returns every single year. So don't forget to check out this product, and actually next week this algorithm will be going live to the public, and right now on Instagram we are running a $1,200 giveaway for 3 months gold subscription. So if you want to be winning this free subscription from this cryptocurrency trading algorithm, don't forget to go to this post in the highest link in the description right now on Instagram, because if you're going to be following the Instagram account and leave a comment, you are already going to be eligible to win this insane giveaway that we're holding right here. So don't forget to check out the link in the description right now if you want to get your hands on this state-of-the-art cryptocurrency trading algorithm. So this was it for today's update video. If you do enjoy the content, don't forget to slap up that like button, and of course subscribe to the channel if you want to be seeing more of this. But anyways, this was it for today's update video. Check you guys on the next one. Peace out. Goodbye.